Them don't kill one high court judge wey they call Mr. Stanley Nnaji. Now wow, people just they die every day. This man now, if he see as they shoot him, no be one, the gun just shout, and so we just hear the thing, no. And as he be, this man don't die. Make una watch this video.
People should move now. They just moved that guy from that car now. Sorry, I'm not showing it. Them, look at them. I'm not showing it. What's happening? Jesus, they shot the guy. Jesus, they don't kill him. Jesus. Then kill him. Then kill him. Then kill him. Unknown gunmen. Then kill him. Jesus, they're killing people.
And I don't see as they drag this man come outside from a motor, shoot him. Here these people come outside, we say people no see them. The person self will even record self. Me, I refuse say he even know about all these things. But we hear say they kill this man for any good diagnostic center near Obiano Tunnel. And they see for the video as they bring out this man, shoot him. And this man, as they kill and finish, they can't carry Mercedes Benz. They still don't even keep the motor, they still carry the motor, run. Now the police commander, will be Mr. Daniel Undukwe, talk say by the time when they go rush this man reach hospital, now there they confirm say this man don't die. And now there they can't even know say this man now former ex-judge for Nigeria. I can't think and say you should say this man never go judge person matter. The person get him for heart. Maybe this one go talk that time. The thing still they paying the person. Now make the person consent. In fact, this unknown gunmen and it don't tire me. And I go to see their face, and I go see they call them unknown. And I don't feel identify these people. Because what will be the unknown for here? On every day, unknown government, unknown men. What will be this matter? It don't tire us. This man now, they don't kill him. Condolence to his family because I know say now they go dey mourn him. And I hear say they advise this man say, make him no come outside. You where you know say you be former court, maybe you don't go talk something about what do you come outside for? You go take safety and hide for somewhere. Now they don't kill you. But here say the Enugu Commissioner of Police, where be Mohammed Ndasu Aliyu, don't talk say, make them find them this man. Anywhere where they did, then these people will shoot this man. Say they go find them. I hope say na go do na work as na take talk am because all of us know police. This one where they just talk am. If you just be say they talk am for talking sake, make them find this man because as if you say the motor still there, no how, they no go just go dump this motor. Either they go try go sell the motor. Now no say thief, money no they reach them. They go look say make I go sell this motor, make I go do something with this motor. Make them find, trace them. This man in things fit inside this motor. If this motor get tracker, make they track this motor, find them these people. This title self of this unknown gunmen. Which day you can't get? Which day they want give them another name? Make they could even change the name. Because sometimes on I go see this video now. On I see the people who even there for the back. Those people again carry their motor line up for back. They suppose even they do video. Video suppose they. But person who even do this video say, are you sure say your life self they secure? Say these people know come monitor you for one place. Say, you there for this house, the video they will come kill you. Now make everybody say they fear. As it be now, person who even figure call police say, police they don't shoot you, go they go still arrest you. Say make you come write statement. But this guy wey video, and they look and say him be eye suspect. Make they find him. Hold on, make himself talk. Maybe if you identify them this man because now they see them, now they record. But make him life safe. They make they keep him safe because as it be those men say if they find him, say they won't go kill him. And if let's say this killing of big men, wait, who these big men even offend? If let's say they don't do something, and insecurity don't do too much, it don't do overspread. Not only Nigeria. Not only Nigeria, this thing they happen. Other countries they at peace. What they can be saying now this Nigeria every day complain, bandits are kidnapped. Waiting. We don't tire, we don't tire. As it be like this, me I don't even tire. As it be making a comment. Anything we feel about this man death, making a comment about him. Now here I go to end this story. Making not forget say we get better story for now. Making not forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel as I go see you now for our next video.